You sit down to study. 5 minutes later, you're on your phone. That's not a habit problem. That's your brain choosing the easier reward. You think you lack discipline, but your brain is doing exactly what it's built to do. Avoid effort, chase comfort. So every time you try to study the normal way, you lose before you even start. Fix how your brain plays the game, or keep repeating the same cycle. In this video, I'll show you 3 things: how to make your brain stop resisting studying, how to remove the distractions controlling you, and how to study in a way your brain actually accepts. Step 1. Lower the resistance. You keep telling yourself you'll study for 3 to 4 hours. That's the problem. The moment you say that, your brain sees it as effort, pressure, pain. So it delays. You feel lazy. You escape. You're not failing to study. You're failing to start. So fix the start. Don't aim for hours. Aim for 20 minutes. Make it so easy your brain can't reject it. No pressure. No overthinking. Just begin. Because once you start, continuing is easier than quitting. Step 2. Remove the easy dopamine. Your focus isn't weak. Your environment is. You're trying to study while your biggest distraction is right next to you. Your phone is faster, easier, more rewarding, so your brain keeps choosing it again and again. And then you blame yourself. Stop doing that. If your phone is within reach, you've already lost. Put it in another room. Not silent, not face down, out of reach. Because focus isn't built by willpower. It's built by removing what destroys it. Step 3. Force your brain to work. Right now, you're not studying, you're just reading. And reading feels easy. That's why your brain gets bored. No challenge, no engagement, so it drifts away. Fix that. Stop passively reading. Start recalling. Close the book. Try to remember. Write it down. Test yourself. Make your brain struggle a little. Because when it works, it stops resisting. And that's when studying actually starts to feel. Right now, you know what's wrong. The only question is, will you fix it or repeat it tomorrow?